topic of today's workshop is to make use of translation memory in Memsource. First, please scan this QR code to download our source text and target text for today's workshop. The first activity is to select a translation memory. So we need to create our project and then select our translation memory for this project. The second activity is to add a term to the term base. First, we need to find a term in our source text and then add it with its translation to our term base. Then if needed, we could edit the source of the term. Activity 3 is to export the translation as a bilingual file. Activity 4 is running job quality assurance. We need to run a QA check and then check the warnings returned by quality assurance module one by one. And this is the end of today's workshop. As usual, please leave us some valuable feedback by scanning this QR code. Thank you.